Here's how I made these 2 tombstones out of cereal boxes. To make this project, grab any cereal boxes, and then you'll need some wooden dowels, or you can grab free paint sticks. You'll need scissors, some masking tape, black acrylic paint, some gray spray paint, a glue gun, and then some paper or paper towels. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this box and we're gonna cut slits along the side. Okay, you don't wanna go down too far, maybe like 3-4 inches. Do the other side. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side here. We're going to cut up and make like a half circle and come back down. Until we reach the other side. And now we're gonna flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. So now we have it cut like this, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold the sides down like that, and we're gonna tape it all up. Before you completely seal this up, go ahead and stuff this with newspaper, garbage bags, towels, like it literally doesn't matter. Paper towels, just get this all stuffed. We have rolls and rolls of this rosin paper, so I'm just gonna crumple it up like this. Okay, and then we're just gonna stuff it in there. So now once you have it stuffed, we're gonna go ahead and seal it up. And as you can see, I have a little gap. So I took a piece that I already cut off, and we're just gonna put that right there, and I'm gonna get everything taped. All right, now that we have this all taped up, what we're gonna do is pick a side that we wanna have be the back, and I'm gonna take my paint sticks and we're gonna glue this down like that and then apply some tape. Make sure that's really on there. And try to get it kind of to the center, and you want a good amount to be, you know, on the end there. Now that we've got this glued down, I'm gonna use some tape and I'm gonna add a little bit more to the side just to make sure it's really sturdy. The next step is we're going to cover everything with some spray paint. If you want to age it up a little bit, you can take some of your black paint and just add some water to it. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go along like the edges like this. And don't worry about how much you're putting on because we are gonna wipe some of it off. Now we're gonna take a paper towel and I'm just gonna start wiping the edges, get the excess off. So we just have like that little bit of a black stain on it. And I'm adding a little bit extra to the corners at the bottom here. You really can't mess this up. You can paint your words on. I just personally don't like how this looks. So I'm gonna use vinyl decals, and you can get these in my Etsy shop. Here are the tombstones all finished, and now we just need to place them in the ground. Now, I do recommend that you make some holes in the ground first before you add your tombstones, because remember, it is just, you know, a cereal box. So if you push the top really hard, you could break it. If you don't have a house or a lawn or anywhere to put this, you can use a flower pot as well.